go. Got the bike back earlier this week, and just had a little bit of a fiddle around with it today, and after only a couple of kicks over, it fired straight up. So the guys sorted it out. It's absolutely fantastic. So I now have to take it for a test ride and see how it is on the road. The guys do tell me it's quite a different experience, so we'll see how that goes, hey? I'll do a quick walk around. We've got new wheels on it, and they look pretty good now. The original housing is back on. But we have kilometers an hour. The original headlamp, and that works. There we go. Headlamp, and horn. I can't really do it from here, but maybe I can just reach the... There you go. Oh, this is very, very exciting. It's a great milestone.